I am Isha. I am the owner of 12 Shines, and today I am going to show you how I pack an order. I use three type of boxes for packing. This is 6 into 4 into 2 and this is the biggest box. The other two I will mention in the description, and I'm sure you know how to make a box, but here's a little tutorial. I have shared all the packaging materials with the links in the previous video. You can go and check out. Now our box is ready. Let's pack an order. I add a logo sticker and a thank you sticker. First I add bubble wrap. She ordered 4 earrings and 4 hair accessories. Let's pack it. I added all the items and then I add a handwritten thank you note, our business card and a scratch card. I made the scratch card. If you want a tutorial, let me know. And a freebie with some hearts. And this is how I pack an order. If you want any links or have any queries, let me know. I will also mention all the links in the description. Go and check out. Our order is packed. Now let's get it ready to ship. After packing, I add the order into this grey mailer. It is 8 into 10 and perfect for parcels. Just you have to peel the sticker and stick it. And then I write the address on this card and stick it with the help of sellotape. That's all. I will mention all the links in the description. And if you are a small business owner and looking for great packaging, or if you have any doubts, you can comment down. I would love to help you out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.